How vocal variety makes people pay attention when you speak. In this video, I am going to demonstrate the importance of the vocal variety so that the people pay attention when you speak in the rooms, in the meetings, and in the big events. You can say something brilliant and people still won't listen. Do you ever experience such thing? Not because your idea is weak, but because your voice is predictable. Now, here is the truth: the human brain does not pay attention to information, it pays attention to the change. And if your voice does not change, people stop listening to you. It is similar to we are not experiencing earth rotation because it's not changing over the billions of years. Most people speak like this: same tone, same speed, same rhythm, and it creates a hidden problem. Your voice becomes background noise over time. The brain quickly decides that nothing new is happening here, so it tunes out. This is why presentations feel boring, conversations lose energy, and important ideas get ignored. The issue is not content, it is lack of local variation and variety. Imagine you are pitching an idea to your team. You say, "So I think this strategy could improve our results and help us grow faster." You keep talking, but people start checking their laptops and smartphones. Now imagine this conversation. "So here is what I noticed." Give a pause. "Our current strategy is slowing us down, but there is one change that could double our results." Now everyone looks up. Same idea, same text, different variation because your voice created the moment, and with your voice, people move their emotions. Let me give you a star voice framework to create attention. Your voice needs variation. I call it star system. The number one you need to do is shift your pitch. Number two is the tempo control. Number three, add pauses. Number four, reinforce keywords. Number one, shifting pitch. Move your tone naturally. This will help you improve. This will help you improve. Your pitch creates a contrast and the brain looking for. Number two, tempo control. Change your speed intentionally. Fast for creating energy, slow for emphasizing. This one idea can change everything. Slowing down signals importance, and rushing fast will force the message. Number three, adding pauses. Pause after important points. This is where most people fail. Give a pause, and they don't even realize it. Pauses create tension and focus. Step number four, reinforce the keywords so that they can remember again and again. The politicians use this and the brands use this. They always repeat 20% of words in every ad so that we stick to the same idea. Reinforce the key ideas, highlight specific words of great importance. You don't need more content, you need better delivery. Emphasis directs attention. Let me demonstrate this for you. Let us compare two speaking styles. One is flat voice, and another one is star framework. This method can improve your communication and help you connect better with people. No variation, no pause, no emphasis. The result: low attention rate. This is the drawback of flat voice. Now let us go with the star framework. This method can improve your communication and help you connect better. Controlled dynamic, high attention from the audience. So, my dear friends, what are you going to do? Remaining the flat tone or use the vocal variation? When you use your vocal variety, something powerful happens within you. People stop drifting, they start listening. Your words feel more impactful because communication is not just about meaning, it is about experience, and your voice creates that experience. When your voice has the rhythm, contrast, and control, your voice becomes powerful. That is the philosophy of the Vaak, the creative essence of your voice. Your voice is power, your ideas worth spreading. That only possible when you master your communication skills. So please join and subscribe to Vaak, because when your voice captures attention, your message creates impact. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, you are with KBC, your friendly communication coach.